Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrency that we've never looked at before on this channel. This is brand new in our analysis service. It's the RNDR coin. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here we can navigate to our cryptocurrencies section. If you're interested in tech stocks, US stocks, or the S&P 500, feel free to register on our website. You can find the link in the description. Now, let's navigate to RNDR. Click on the long-term chart first. The overall larger degree context, very important to understand. First of all, you see that 1188 level on the chart, which we need to break to the upside in order to unlock higher prices in a third wave. This is the spot where we could still see the price turn down, possibly to form a wider wave 2 correction. So let me explain. So the overall idea on this chart is that we are in a rally, that we have here a 1-2-1-2 setup, which means we have a nested 1-2-1-2 structure, which is quite bullish. It typically leads to a larger degree third wave. You can see that once we break above that level, and it needs to be a sustained break, then it should unlock higher prices, possibly in the region $20 to $30 or even higher long term. We see a direct breakout to the upside with a 67% probability, whereas a 33% probability is assigned to a larger wave 2. That would require a turnaround here and a failure to break out above 1188. And we would then just reset the wave 2 that presumably bottomed recently in November. We would expect this wave 2 then to still unfold. But overall, at the moment, the focus is on higher prices, as you will see on the smaller time frame. It's just always important to have a good idea of the overall context. And here it's important also in the next few days, next few weeks, to pay attention to that 1188 level. So here it's very important to understand on the smaller time frame that we have likely started a larger degree third wave to the upside. As you can see from that last swing low in wave 2, we've been moving higher. And the $7.10 level is critical support at the moment. This level needs to hold to keep this overall upside expectation alive on the smaller time frame. The idea at the moment is that a wave 2 bottomed recently, and then within a larger degree third wave, we already completed waves 1 and 2. Now, as you can see, this blue wave 2, it was very shallow. That means it's never great when we have these shallow wave 2s because they don't really give us a great structure to work with. Such a deeper wave 2, which holds a higher low, would give us a bit more clarity, but still based on the overall chart pattern, the context, and the internal structure of that move up, the assumption is that this is a 1-2 setup and we are now in a third wave. Quite choppy price action though on the smaller time frame, but that is often what we see in the cryptocurrency charts. Quite choppy, quite messy on the smaller time frames. Not always, they don't always give us a very clear micro count, a very clear micro structure. So we have to deal with what the market offers us. But overall, that is a third wave. That's the expectation. And we should move a little bit higher in the third wave over the coming weeks. At the moment, as you can see, we are dealing with let's say a little bit of consolidation there, which is expected, however, to stay above that red line, above that last swing low there. And then we should move higher over the coming weeks. Then we would expect another, let's say, gradual pullback, a shallow pullback, a sideways correction in wave 4, which could be quite sharp given that wave 2 is sideways. So sometimes when a wave 2 is sideways correction, the wave 4 is quite sharp. And then we should see one more high, which would then again be followed by a pullback. As soon as we see, let's say, a clear pullback evolve and we have a possibility to add a support area, we will do that. And that would be a trading area for you that you can use if you're interested in adding a position for RNDR. But overall, this is quite a bullish structure that we could see reach the $20 to $30 region in the future. That's the update about RNDR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about these cryptocurrencies and stocks, tech stocks, make sure that you register on our website and also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you are interested in. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.